How to remove a family link from Google account. If you have made a family group on your Google account and added members to it, you don't know how to remove it, you just have to follow these steps very carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. Alright, so first you'll have to open your settings. From here, scroll down to get to your Google services. Just tap on it and choose the account that you want to remove member from, or you have the family link in. So I have my account right here. If not, you can change your account by tapping this icon right here. So from here, go to manage your account, and this should be your home page. And from here, you can swipe left to get to people and sharing. And here you will see your family on Google. So right here, you can tap on manage your family group. You can send invitations if you want. If you want to remove a specific member, you can just tap on their name. Here you will see an option to remove member right here. You can just tap on it. Then it will ask you for your verification, either your biometric or your account's password. So just verify that it's you. Once the verification is done, you can tap on remove. So it will remove the family member from your family tree. So as you can see, the member is no longer here and it has been removed. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.